Hey guys, and welcome to this video, and here we're going to go over how to create the fade in effect. So right now the right image is still the bright one. We want that to fade in, fade out, and always keep the center one faded in. So it's fairly simple how we're going to do it. If we go back to our HTML index, we have our image one, image container, and then we have the image fade in box class, and this element is present in all of. So this one right here, this one right here, and this one right here. And they also have a second class of fade in effect darken for the left one, fade in effect darken for the right one, and for the middle one we have the fade in effect lighten. So all we're going to do is we're going to select this DOM element and then remove this class and add in this class for each appropriate element, and that's all we're going to do. So let's get right into it. We're going to go to JavaScript and let's see. You're going to select this one right here. This one right here. So we are going to, if we go back to our CSS, no, we don't have anything there. We have to go to our JavaScript and let's put it right here. We're going to say let image1 fade in box is equal to document.query selector image1 image fade in box. Duplicate that twice, then number 2, number 3. And also here we want to say number 3 and this one number 2. And also create an array for this as well. So let images fade in box array is equal to image1 fade in box, image2 fade in box, and image3 fade in box. And we are going to copy and paste it down here. Let's see. So when we move to the left, we want the left one to fade out. So we have to, let's see, put that right there, 0, and style, not style. We have to basically go back to our CSS. We have to remove the darken one. So let's see, image 1 is going to not have this because image 1 is going to the right. So remember this image 0 or image array 0 or image 1. If we click left, it's going to the right. It's still dark, so we don't have to change anything there. But the center one, if we refresh this, the center one from the one right here has to darken. So let's go down to here and image array 1 class list remove, and we want to remove, remember we have lightened this one right here. We want to remove that. So let's remove this, and we want to make it dark. So we want to duplicate that line and then class list add, and we have fade in lighten this, fade in, let's see, we have to make it dark, so we have to get this image class and put that right there. And let's see, if we go back, click left, it darkens. Now we have to lighten the image number 2, so let's copy and paste this down here. And we have to remove the darken, and we want to add in the lighten. And if we do that, go back. Why is it not working? I think I had an error somewhere. Let's see, where do I have an error? Console log. oh, this has to be number 2 right there, and there you go. Now it's working. And then to get it to work infinitely, we have to do the push, I think, push and shift array. So let's go down here and just want to double check what I did in my code. Okay, so let's go take this, place it right here, and do push and shift, and that should make it go infinite. So check it out. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. Great. So now let's do, now let's see. Did I have to do anything in set timeout? No, that is set timeout. That's, yeah, so that's done for the left button, move left function. And now let's do the same exact thing for the move right function. So if I refresh this page and if I move right, let's see, I'm going to start with this image right here. So if I refresh, this is image 0. If I move right, image 0 becomes the center one and has to get lightened. So I'm going to copy, I'm just going to copy this one right here. Image, copy that, and go to image 0, change this to 0, change this to 0, and it's going to go from remove the class dark and then add the class light. So if we go back here, there's going to be 2 light images. This one becomes light, and the right one we have to darken. So copy and paste this. Let's copy and paste it to the center image. Change that to 1. And remove the class lighten and add the class darken. Now if we go back, right, there you go. The center image is the only one that's lightened. And now we have to make that repeat infinitely. So we go back to, let's see, let's take this image array or the fade in box array and move it over here, then unshift and pop, same as before. So now it should work infinitely. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. Move left, 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 left. Move right, move right, right. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Let's double check it's working in full screen mode. Refresh the page. Right, 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 working, and then left, 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 left. Okay, perfect. I was just checking the background image is working in sync as well. So that is the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys found this very useful, and I'm going to try and focus on more React. I'm not sure which tutorial I'm going to create next, but I will be probably doing something related to web animation or React or animation in React. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.